Hey lovely, so today we are doing a simple twist updo hairstyle for work, and yeah, I'm doing this with a cream styler from Lotta Body. I would show you all the products that I use as I style my hair. So this product is cream styler, which means that it is creamy and it doesn't have that much hold, but we are going to use that for this particular hairstyle. And so I washed my hair, and this is my freshly washed, thoroughly detangled hair. And as you all know, whenever I wash and condition my hair, I don't apply a leave-in conditioner. I only go ahead straight with my styler. So right after washing my hair and conditioning, I am just using my styler to achieve this hairstyle. And all I'm doing is creating twists. So this is a twisted updo hairstyle. So I am creating big twists, and these are not small twists, these are big twists. For me, I always like to do big twists because it saves time for me and I don't spend hours having to do my twist. If I want to do mini twists, I definitely will go to the salon to have it done because with my long, thick hair, I really don't have time to be doing smaller twists. So I am just creating this bigger twists from the back, and twists are great styles or protective styles that you can do for your hair. They are low manipulation, and also you do not need to manipulate your hair all always. So I'm just counting this amount of twists that I'm doing because I just want to do a total of like less than 20 twists in all. And so far I have done 8 twists. And so I'm for the front section I decided to do the twists smaller. The reason is that I want to create a style, or that is what is going to differentiate the style from just a simple updo twist updo style. Okay, and I'm using the side sections to create very, very small twists. And so I'm not going to do the twist for all of the front section. As we go along with the hairstyle, you will definitely see how everything unfolds. But just to show you what I am currently doing, I'm just twisting my hair and I'm creating 2 twists. This is something. This is a random hairstyle. Actually, I it just came off my mind. I really didn't know what I was doing initially because I had wanted to do smaller twists at the front part to create more like a hack for a cornrow, but I've realized I didn't have enough time, so I decided to just switch it up, and the creativity just sat in, and so all I'm doing is just twisting the hair in smaller sections. So I'm just trying to see how best I can style it, and then now we are back to the second session of the front part of the style. And what I'm doing is just a bigger twist. Like I said, I wanted to do smaller twist initially, but I had a change of mind and I decided that I would do big twists. And also I have noticed that my the front part of my hair is very, very delicate, and so I don't want to stress it that much because any little thing usually have impacts on the strands at the front part. So I just want to do something loose. I don't want to do a hairstyle or a style that is very, very tight or puts a lot of stress or pressure on the front part of my hair. So that explains why I'm also doing the bigger twist at the front parts. Okay. Now this style is super, super, super simple. I hope you follow along as I do this hairstyle. Now, one thing I also want to talk about is cream stylists, what cream stylists are for. Now, cream stylists are low hold stylists. What it means is that they don't have hold, they can provide you with definition, they are just stylish to help keep your hair in place for a shorter period of time. These products can't be used for wash and goes, they can't be used to define hair, but they are great for twists and twist updo. That is why I'm using the Lotta Bodies cream styler for this updo. So anytime you plan on having doing an updo and you don't know of what to use, just get any cream styler like the one I'm using. So back to the style. Yes, I'm done and I have a total of I think 16 in all. Yeah. And this is the next step. The next step is that I am pulling all the hair at the to the back to do a low bun with it. Now, for this, if you have a shorter hair, you would need to add extensions to your hair. But if your hair is longer like mine, then you prefer to go with your own hair. Now, I'm just going to do the bun at the back with a twist. This is supposed to be as loose as possible in order to have a twist that is bigger enough. I mean, a bun that is bigger enough. You don't want the bun to be so small because I'm not adding extensions to it. So I have to make sure that the bun at the back is at least big enough so that the style looks more presentable. Let me just say it that way. So that is exactly what I'm doing. I'm using my bobby pin. I couldn't show you what is going on at the back, but all I'm doing is I'm using my bobby pin to put the twists in a bun. Yeah. So now that I am done putting it in the bun, I decided to, add some style or class to what I'm doing. And so what I'm doing is just adding these beads to the hair. Now, this is what makes this hairstyle different from any other simple hairstyle. Well, it is simple, but I mean, it has some kind of like a difference to it. I mean, I hope you get what I'm saying. But yeah, so I had this beads lying there. I didn't know what to do with it, so I decided that you know what, let me just add this beads to the hair. And so if you have any beads, any beads at all, you can also add it to your styles, and they're going to make the style come out differently. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, so I'm doing the same for the other side of the hair. I'm putting the beads on the hair, and this is also very simple to do. All you use is your bobby pin, and then you try to create, I mean, the hole that can make you be able to put the beads on the hair. Yeah. So here we are. I'm done with the beads, and all I'm left to do is just to style it at the back. Now, I want to get the beads to be in the same, how do you call it, to be in the same side. Yeah, so that it looks more presentable. And this is really quite simple to do. I mean, just watch what I'm doing, and then you just get the whole point of what I'm doing. Now, if you want to try this out, I'm definitely sure you can be able to do it because there's nothing complicated here. All I'm doing is just applying. It's just bobby pinning the twisted hair at the back. And the difference here is the beads that I decided to add to it just to, I mean, make the whole thing more beautiful and presentable. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. So the next thing I'm doing is just applying my hold styler. Now this hold styler is a cream of nature snots, and the essence of this is to give the whole style some hold. Now, I didn't want to add a whole styler to the twists. That is why I'm adding it to the final style product, final style result. The reason I'm doing this is because I want the style to stay in place for like a week. And it should also put away all the flyaways. I mean, this style needs to look sleek. This style needs to look presentable, in a way that there's no frizzy ends or anything. I mean, lying there making the whole style looking like, an old style. No, I just wanted to this to look like I'm really rocking a sleek hairstyle. So that is the purpose of why I'm using the got I'm using the cream of nature smart. And trust me, the final result would let you know of what exactly I'm saying. So I decided to also scarf it a bit so that, you know, and here we are the following day going to work. Like I said, this style was really laid down, and I'm just impressed with the results of it. This is a simple style, but trust me, girl, you want to try this, and the next time you are styling your hair. I hope that this video was helpful. If it was, let me know and give me a thumbs up. Thanks. Bye.